How to add whiteboard in Webex Meeting. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add whiteboard in Webex Meeting. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Webex account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to move over to start meeting. Okay, you can see it here, start meeting. It will be under your calendar tab, so just click on start meeting. So once you click on start meeting, it will load and then you'll be redirected to the meetings page. Then you'll be redirected to the page where you'll be asked to download and it's the Webex installer. This is if you don't have it downloaded already, or you can just decide to join from your browser like I'll be doing in this tutorial. So I'll just click on join from browser. Okay, so I can just cancel this and click on this. So just wait for it to load. All right, once it has loaded, you'll be brought to your personal room. The next thing for it to do is to click on start meeting. Then once you click on start meeting, it will connect as well, and then your meeting has started automatically. So once this meeting has started, for you to be able to add a whiteboard, the next thing for you to do is to click on the three dots here. You should below the screen, like at the lower part of the screen, you see some icons such as mute, stop video, share. Then the more options, click on more options, and then you see start a new whiteboard. Just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, you'll do wait a little, and then you'll see your whiteboard being shared. Okay, that's just how you can add whiteboard or share whiteboard in Webex Meeting. I hope this tutorial has been helpful thus far. Thanks for watching.